Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're lucky to have Charlene Patton all the way down from Topeka at the Kansas Soybean Commission with us today. Welcome back to the show. You've got another excellent recipe for us, and I can already tell just by looking at the ingredients here, this is going to be something really good.
Well, April is National Soy Foods Month, so I wanted to bring you something special from the Kansas Soybean Commission. It's called an ancient grain salad, and it's actually, we'll talk about it in a little bit, but it's featured in the recipe book that we're giving away, the informational. I have 3 cups of quinoa in here, and that's where the ancient grain comes in. Cooked it ahead of time, put that in there after it was cooled, and now you're going to add one of our soy ingredients, and that is edamame. Okay. And it's already cooked too. We'll put that in there. And then these are blueberries, and I found these big blueberries, and I thought, well, this will be great for a salad so that you can really see them good. And then we have cucumber that I just cut into pieces there. Doesn't that look good? Nice fresh salad here. Then you have red onion there that you're going to add.
You could smell the red onion for sure when we came up here.
Great. And then we have fresh basil. Now, in Topeka right now, it's hard to find fresh basil. So I found in the produce section a little container of fresh basil already chopped. So that's great, and we'll add that, and that gives it just a fresh flavor. And then this is a little bit of fresh mint, and we'll add that in too. You can smell that. So I'm going to stir that a little bit here. Look at all those beautiful colors, and this is such a great spring salad. And then you are going to pour the dressing on there, which uses another one of our soy ingredients, and that's vegetable oil. We've got some mustard in there. Look at all of that.
All right.
All right, I'll stir that up there. Oh boy, doesn't that look pretty?
It does.
I love this recipe.
You don't usually see salads that look that good.
I know, and it's just so fresh. And then when you serve it, we have our display over here. Slice some fresh avocado and put it on the slice. And I gave you some. And I want to show this booklet for National Soy Foods Month because we have the link on our website, and I think you're also going to put it on your website. But it's a 15-page book. It has this recipe in it, but I love it because it gives all the great health information of why you need to have soy, the latest information, a glossary of all different kinds of soy foods. So a really helpful piece that we're offering free.
All right, and that's pretty darn good. So if you'd like this recipe, you can enter to win this book or check it out on our website, koamnewsnow.com. Charlene, thanks for coming in this morning. We'll catch you again next week, and we'll be back with more right after this.